With this in mind, it is our intention to repeat success of Indonesia at a global scale and inspire many more people to embrace digital for a balanced planet.
62 students. It's our first AI Academy, and a great example of a partnership between industry and academia. I think we talk about this a lot, but I think this is living proof of how we can collaborate to make a difference to society and make a difference to our industry.
Indonesia has a lot of potential. And as Professor Tutuka has with ESDM, we have strong targets. We want to achieve 1 million barrels of oil per day and 12 BCF per day of gas production by 2030. How are we going to do it? This is a challenge. Some people say it's a very stark target. Some people say it's ambitious. I say it's great. Why? Because we need it. We need the energy for Indonesia.
We do hope that new technologies such kind of this AI can help this industry moving faster. We do believe AI will be the key solution, the key methodology to solve the problems in fast, real fast.
Please give applause for
So my last message is to you, the students in this room, but also to SLB PTEs and engineers and experts. Our today's collective actions, by expanding the use of the digital and AI in the exploration and the production, will impact the future of our industry and the future of our planet.